mga Kokote? It's me, Ate Mariel, at welcome sa Kadernos, where learning is the name of the game. So kung bago ka pa lamang sa aming YouTube channel, i-click mo na subscribe, like, and share button para mag-updated ka sa aming mga videos. So dito, diba last time na pag-aralan natin yung child development, ano yung child development, ano yung mga theories na yan, si Sigmund Freud, si Erik Erikson, si Levi Vygotsky, nabanggit yan. So dito naman, tuloy na natin yung what does child development include. So child development covers the full scope of skills that a child masters over their lifespan, including development in number 1, cognition. So cognition is the ability to learn and problem solve. Yung mga alpha kid na yan. So, social interaction and emotional regulation. So, when we say interaction and emotional regulation, interacting with others and mastering self-control. When we say speech and language, understanding and using language. Paano ba tayo makikipag-interact? Paano ba tayo magsasalita? Ano ba yung means of communication natin? Anong medium? So, ayan. Reading and communicating. It is very important, the speech and language, because it is used for communication and social interaction to other people. So, physical skills, fine motor or finger skills, and gross motor. When we say gross motor, is whole body skills. So, sensory awareness, the registration of sensory and information of use, and ayan, so next natin. So, why is childhood development important? So, dito naman, before that, so yung dito, developmental milestones can be categorized by the following. So, yung kanina, number 1, speech and language, dressing skills, fine motor skills, and grooming skills. So, yan. Kaakibat nito nung sa topic na why is childhood development important, kids grow at their own pace. There are a wide range of healthy shapes and sizes among children. So, genetics, gender, nutrition, physical activity, health problems, and environment and hormones all play a role in a child's height and weight. So, it all affects us. So, lahat ng child na yan, maapektuhan yan kung ano yung mga nangyari or kung ano yung kinagisa natin, ano ba yung development na nabuo natin, ano yung mga skills na enhance natin, that will reflect sa kung ano yung ating character development today. So, ayan. And many of these can be vary widely through family. So, genetics, it can affect. So, may pamilya ba sa inyo na may blue eyes? May pamilya ba sa inyo ng matangkad? Very short lang? Tama lang? May genetics ba sa inyo ng may puro dimples or puro may twins? So, ganyan. It varies on genetics talaga. So, why is child development important? Bakit nga ba mahalaga yung child development? So, early childhood development is a period of great opportunity, of course. Madaming opportunity ang makikita mo sa childhood development. Of course, nandiyan yung interaction sa mga kaklase mo, pagkukulay, paglalaro, pakikipag-interact. So, yan. Pinakamahalagang phase din yan ng ating buhay kasi dyan tayo natututo makipagkaibigan. And of course, dito din natin nadidiscover yung mga talents at kunyari, magaling ka palang kumanta, marunong ka palang sumayaw, dito mo nadidiscover na magaling ka mag-drawing, painting, ayan. So, mga ganyang mga bagay ba, yung nade-discover mo when it comes to childhood development mo and yung kung ano ka nung early childhood ka. So, but also one of the great vulnerability. Of course, lahat ng opportunity, meron ding result na vulnerability about sa atin and about sa environment natin. So, many children cannot realize their full potential because of adverse conditions in their environment. Of course, not all will fully develop their skills and talent because may mga adverse effects ang mga environment, other people, and other circumstances na pwede nating makasalumuha or maka-interact in terms of that time. So, observing and monitoring child development is an important tool to ensure that children meet their developmental milestones. So, developmental milestones or a loose list of developmental skills believed to be mastered at roughly the same time for all children but that are far from exact, act as useful guidance or guideline of the ideal development. So, lahat tayo kailangan talaga ng development, of course. So, kapag na-develop tayo, nagkakaroon tayo ng magandang character, nagkakaroon tayo ng magandang development sa ating katawan, spiritually, emotionally, physically, mentally. So, ayun. So, by checking a child's developmental growth process at particular age markers against this arbitrary time frames, it allows a check-in to ensure that the child is roughly on track for their age. Wow. Taray. If not, this checking and of developmental milestones can be helpful in their early detection of any hiccups and in development. This check usually carried through child mother services and pediatricians as infants and toddlers, and later though preschool and school term skills assessments. So ayan. So next slide. So the earliest possible na their detection or the early intervention of treatment, if appropriate, of developmental challenges can be helpful minimizing the impact of this developmental hiccups can be have child skill and development and subsequently their confidence or serve as an indicator of a possible future diagnosis. So of course, hindi lahat may successful na development. Sometimes there's problems and detection ng developmental challenges of ng children. So it can be genetically. So, mga ganyang example. So, developmental milestone checklist or charts are used as guide to what is normal for a particular range and can be used to highlight any ideas in which child might be delayed. So, of course, delayed sa speech, delay sa paglalakad, yung parang ano ka na pero hindi ka pa rin naglalakad, yung medyo malaki na pero hindi pa rin nagkakaroon ng first word as a child. So, however, it is important to be aware that while child development has a predictable sequence, all children are unique and in their developmental journey. Lahat tayo may iba-iba tayong journey, time frame, and ano ba yung mga na-development natin sa childhood natin. Hindi naman pwedeng pare-pareho na magaling tayo lahat sumayaw nung lumalaki tayo. Hindi naman pwedeng pare-pareho magaling tayo sumayaw kasi we have many talents to improve and meron tayong unique talents na tayo lang yung meron and pwede natin i-share to other people and to your peers. So, ayan. The reason that early childhood development is so critical is it lays down the foundation for the rest of their children's lives. Of course, kung ano yung nangyari sa childhood development mo, it will reflect hanggang pagtanda mo. Okay? So, meron tayo ditong activity time. Of course, may questions tayo dito. So, let's have it. So, he focused more on social relationship as a driving force in development and referred to the developmental tasks as psychosocial stages. Sino kaya ito? So, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer would be, so that is Eric Erickson. So, thank you. So, ayan ang next nating lesson, the problems in childhood development. So, thank you, have a great day, and God bless, and of course, see you sa ating next video. Bye-bye!